on the podcast.
Car on the stage. I mentioned very bookmark elements that you guys doing it.
That was one of the most iconic entries. But that whole 360 degree पे काम करना हमारे लिए, it pushed our creative levels.
But tell me one of the best jugards that you've done.
So we have to play a video file. Okay. And at the console, the video guy tells me that bro, आवाज नहीं मैच हो रहा है, आ नहीं रहा है. Said कि चल ठीक है काम करते हैं, सब रुक जाओ एक सेकंड.
How can they make their choreography go viral?
The main motive, I think, should be to provide valuable content. And sooner or later, the chances of it going viral are higher because it will move people in certain ways.
Do you really want to change something about the industry?
सबसे ज़्यादा important अगर कुछ चीज़ होगा is respect.
Something that is going to trend in 2024 and 2025.
There's gonna be Sangeet taken to Super Bowl level.
Welcome to the Wet Pod Chronicles, guys. We are very excited to start with our episode. And as you can see, it's going to be all madness, all fun because we have two best friends and two of the industry's finest choreographers and performers. So, starting with, we have Shrishti Arya, owner of
thank you.
Happy Dancing Feet, and then we have Karthik from Karthik Mohan Productions. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, एकदम से जनाब ने वो यही किए हैं. I love it. Guys, first of all, thank you for doing this. And starting with, let's just dive into it. Okay, हम सीधा सवालों पर कूदते हैं. So, do you think that Bollywood will become not irrelevant, but people will reduce dancing on that in next 5-6 years?
No,
No?
definitely no.
Bollywood is the way to go. Is that what you say?
Yeah, I think maybe fusion will come into existence, but Bollywood will never leave. Like, आपने अगर club में देखा होगा, the moment the vibe changes from English to Bollywood, everyone screams and goes crazy.
Yeah.
तो वो इंडिया में वो चीज तो कभी कम नहीं होगी मेरे हिसाब से.
But I think Bollywood has, like, everyone loves Bollywood. I don't think English is gonna come into the picture. But संगीत बोलेगा तो यार जैसे अगर मैंने गोविंदा का गाना play कर दिया, the vibe changes of the whole party.
That's true.
Altogether. So I feel that Bollywood has a heart.
Okay.
Bollywood has that heart, but you also mean that, you know, as Srishti said, कि एक नया version, there's going to be something new in the same Bollywood.
Yeah.
Because I think we've also seen, like, we're 90s kids. We saw the kind of music that we used to hear to all the songs now.
Yeah.
I think there's a major change in that. But no, I also agree kind of that the Bollywood will always be there in some form or the other.
But also what we see is that there are a lot of remakes of the older versions.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, 90s songs have come back.
Yeah.
Yes.
जैसे अभी वो मेरे महबूब में सनम. And now people are tripping on that song. But we've been tripping since past 20 years.
Yeah.
We are the OGs.
Yeah,
these OGs
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we are also establishing our age over here to show
Yeah.
that we are not Gen Z.
Wait,
We come from the
definitely.
90s kids.
But I'm young by heart.
You're young by heart.
Absolutely, we all are.
I
We all
know
are.
only older people say that.
No.
But actually, what I've noticed is also in workshops and stuff, when you see, people are picking out the second paragraph of a 90s song and dancing to it. Like, there was a Tumhe Aaj Maine Jo Dekha version that came out. Like, I think people are also revisiting 90s.
Yeah.
I agree
So
to that.
That
yes.
is
Absolutely.
also probably going to carry on.
So, do you think that that's going to reduce? Because what I see is the weddings are going to be more intimate. So, do you think as the number of attendees reduce, people would want to reduce all the tam jam, like the back dances and the props and all of that?
So I personally feel that, of course, intimate weddings are actually coming up right now. But it's more personalization. Is what we see in say weddings or maybe संगीत and performances. But तामझाम तो चाहिए, like boss, तामझाम के बिना तो संगीत में मजा नहीं है.
Yeah.
Like वो भी एक अलग स्केल है जिधर आप अगर किसी को ऋतिक रोशन दिखना है आज के जमाने में, तो I think उनके लिए being on that stage with dancers, with props, doing a grand entry, I think it's a different feeling that you'll have. At the same time, like I say that personalized entries when you do or maybe personalized performances, उसके अंदर भी एक अलग connection है.
They are spoiled because of Yash Raj and Karan Johar movies.
I think that has had a major role. मतलब pop culture obviously affects you, movies, songs, and what you see. But like he rightly said, there are two types of people in this world. One, जिनको वो तामझाम चाहिए ही, that makes them feel special.
True.
And we would love to give that to them if that makes them feel special. फिर दूसरे तरीके के जो लोग हैं, I think COVID has made people realize कि आप simple weddings करके भी खुश हो सकते हो.
Yeah.
So a lot of people are now who would have probably done tamjam are going towards intimate weddings also.
Yeah.
So there are two types of people, and I think both are going to continue in their own way.
That's
Talking about Tamjam, do you really reckon that a planner and a choreographer should have a meeting in advance before they actually meet a client and after they meet a client?
Yeah, both. Like doing a meeting before meeting the client also helps the planner to understand the choreographer's vision
Yeah, that's
of
true.
what they're planning to put up. So the challenges also can be addressed earlier. And doing a meeting after meeting the client, after the concept have been said, what helps is it's just not the choreographer who's gonna put up the whole show, but it's with the coordination with the planner that
True.
can actually put up a great show.
Yeah, that's
is what
true.
we say. So reason why I feel that having a teamwork is better than working individually and putting up your vision saying that this is yours. Rather you can say this is ours and you can
Yeah.
actually do it together. So I think planning to boss chahiye.
I think it's important to be on the same page. And I think एक बार आपके पास वो clarity होगी, you can pass on that clarity to the client and help us sell that vision to the
I think it's all about the vision. I think once we all are clear on what you guys are delivering or what they guys are thinking,
Yeah.
I think that it's very easy for us to pitch it to the client and also make clients understand कि क्या possible है और क्या possible नहीं है. Because you guys have known each other for the longest. So do you guys remember when did you two meet?
Yeah, that's a funny
knows it
story
better.
actually.
Yeah.
It involves a third choreographer
Mm.
who we won't name, but we met at a show where Karthik was sort of doing the artistic direction for the show and I was performing in the show. So that's how we met. Funny story. We were all really sad while doing the rehearsals. And the day he stepped in, like you saw how he introduced himself.
Yeah.
That's how he walked in, and there were wide smiles on all the dancers' faces. This guy carries that energy.
That's true.
And then we were doing our technical in 42 degrees in Agra. And I was lying down, and this person just comes and starts talking to me. And I'm like, is he a creep? Is he not?
But there's a backstory to it.
Yeah.
So at that one corner, I was falling asleep and I couldn't control my sleep. But then I was like, कि मैं क्या करूँ यार? सोना भी नहीं है, technical भी देखना है. There's a lot of pressure. Then I saw this one girl sitting there. मैं बोला चल जाके बात कर लेते हैं. And that's how we started talking. And I just went up to her and I said, "What's your name?" And we just start then she asked me, "What do you do?" And that's how we got good friends.
Yeah.
But I think that's great. I think
Yeah.
The kind of energy that you carry, I think it affects your surrounding, and I think it defines the kind of people that you will be working with. And knowing the kind of people that you guys work with, because we've done so many shows, so I know the kind of happy energy and the good feel that even the people who work with you every day they have, and I think that's commendable. So
Thank you.
that's
Thank you.
fantastic. This brings me to the next point, that is the drama, the element of drama that we have to bring. So do you think that drama is necessary to on stage to make like a Sangeet or any other event, whatever it is, to make it more successful?
So I think again, like we mentioned earlier, it really depends on the client's tastes firstly. But a little bit of drama brings variation, variety, excitement into the Sangeet. Just doing normal songs, dancing and going will keep it at the same tempo. The moment you bring in some dialogue, some voiceovers, maybe some props, some SFX and lighting, and you play with all of that, it definitely adds to the feel. So it keeps the audience engaged.
That's
So I
true.
would say some amount of drama is a good idea to have in your Sangeet.
But where do you define that line? See, we'll have a lot of choreographers who will be watching it. So what would you want to tell them that listen, at this point you have to understand that bas ab now you can't keep adding drama for no reason.
Correct.
Because then every other performance will also become monotone.
Correct. Balance is the key, I would say, and also the taste of the client. Sometimes you will find a client who will say, you know what, I want absolutely no drama in my Sangeet. Straightforward, आओ नाच के जाओ, इतना ही चाहिए मुझे. So if you understand your client really well, so then you will probably, give them what they want. Probably they don't want the drama. But as a choreographer, it's also your job and duty to tell them that adding a little bit of it, keeping a balance would be a good idea. But if they still don't want it, that's their call.
Makes sense.
It's like that.
I think talking about drama, LED Interactive, if I'm going back in time,
Yeah.
aerial hanging acts, hanging pianos, car on the stage. I've mentioned the stalwart and the very bookmark elements that I have seen you guys doing it, and a lot of where I have been fortunate enough to be a part of those weddings. Guys, what's next?
What's next?
Spill the beans.
So we're thinking of actually keeping it a surprise.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I mean, that's a good build-up.
You will
And
know
then
whoever pays.
You will directly see it on
Yeah.
social media.
I think if you just
the
book
next
us-
big thing is being planned.
Salim,
So
I think
actually, we were involved in the planning stage also while the
Yes.
stage was being done, and we were our opinions were taken whether we should do a 360 or not.
oh wow.
Yes.
And obviously, we were for it because it was something new, but we knew it would be super challenging.
True.
The whole idea is that people are always used to dancing in one direction, right? So to work with the family and to tell them that आपको 4 direction में नाचना है is a major challenge, क्योंकि ओरिएंटेशन में फुल कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. तो
Yeah.
हमने एक्चुअली फैमिली को बोल के उनके घर पे एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेज साइज सर्कल पेंट करवाया था. वहां पे हमने उनको क्लॉक की डायरेक्शंस दी थी, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and then accordingly practice कराई थी. It was a very different,
That's brilliant, actually.
yeah, it was a very different sort of feat for us also, क्योंकि एक तो एक डायरेक्शन ही चैलेंजिंग होता है, 4 डायरेक्शंस में तो
जी,
बहुत ही ज्यादा
exactly.
फोकस अटेंशन लगती है. बट द फैमिली प्रैक्टिस वेरी हार्ड. वी हैड सो मेनी चैलेंज क्योंकि बैक स्टेज ही नहीं है. व्हेन यू हैव अ सर्कुलर स्टेज,
True.
We actually don't have a
Oh,
backstage,
that's
yeah.
the
बैक
biggest
स्टेज एरिया है
challenge.
ही नहीं आपके
There are
पास.
no wings.
तो आपके डांसर्स, परफॉर्मर्स की एंट्री, एग्जिट्स, कॉस्ट्यूम्स, प्रॉप्स, एवरीथिंग इज इन ऑडियंस विजन.
Oh, wow.
तो हाउ टू मैनेज ऑलमोस्ट विदाउट लाइक अ बैक स्टेज. तो बहुत सारी चैलेंजेस आए थे हमें. इवन वी कोरियोग्राफ द एंट्री टुगेदर, डिजाइन द एंट्री टुगेदर फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर इवेंट, एंड आई थिंक दैट was one of the most iconic entries. But that whole 360 degree पे काम करना हमारे लिए, it pushed our creative levels to the next level.
And
pretty
you all
challenging
delivered
also
how?
because
Yeah.
usually फैमिली हमें ये कहते हैं हम तो पीछे खड़े हैं, कौन देखेगा.
हाँ.
पर सीने पीछे भी लोग खड़े हैं
हाँ.
देखने के
चारों direction में
हाँ,
लोग.
अब तो सब जगह
हाँ,
दिखोगे.
बोलते हैं ना आप चारों जगह से घेर लिया हमने आपको. तो वो वाला फीलिंग था फैमिली को, because they knew that people are watching from all directions.
True.
And for them orientation also, like what happens is you are standing behind somebody, you can follow a choreography. But यहाँ पर आप तो audience ही आपके लिए, तो आप जहाँ भी देख रहे हो you can't follow.
Yeah.
So like she said, the family put in a lot of efforts, and I think that's quite commendable because उनके efforts के वजह से we could execute the whole idea.
whole show.
And
Yeah.
orientation is a very big challenge. Dancing is different,
Yeah.
but orientation is completely different challenge. कि
That's true.
आप किधर और देख रहे हो, डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रहा है, कोरियोग्राफी, राइट लेफ्ट, सब कुछ चेंज हो रहा है आपके लिए.
I think Karthik was the one who was driving during the dry run.
car.
Yeah,
The car. And
So,
it just
yeah.
That is,
came in.
It was the first time we were getting a car on stage.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we were like कि bro, मैं बोला कि गाड़ी मुझे दो, मैं चलाऊंगा क्योंकि मुझे पता है गाड़ी का रोकना है. And I knew the whole movement of the whole stage
Yeah.
because it was a revolving stage, not even like a 360 stage जो खड़ा है, वो revolve होता है उसके साथ.
And do you think that is it like a challenge for you all when it comes to this magnum opus for you to execute something like that in terms of Sangeet?
Yes, of course, it's challenging, but at the same time, it's more, it's a learning for us also.
Yeah.
Because we look forward to something that actually challenges. Because अभी क्या हो रहा है कि normal stage है, तो हमें पता है क्या क्या possible. But something like this, where the magnitude is pretty big,
Yeah.
तब हम सोचते हैं कि how to make the whole thing very interesting. और इसमें क्या और हम लोग कुछ नया कर सकते हैं. जैसे revolving stage था, उसका challenge सबसे बड़ा था कि if you put the family center, the audience can't see because of the dancers.
True.
Yeah.
So we had to place the family in a way where the audience can see it, where it's visible, where there are not any big props that's coming up on stage,
हाँ.
and कोई भी vision block नहीं होगा, कोई भी angle से. And the most important, how to shoot the act. That had to be briefed to the
Yeah,
main
that was
photographers.
quite a big challenge.
Because हम सोच रहे हैं कि यार ये तो 360 है, आप चारों जगह पे कैमरा लगाओ, but that's not the way to shoot it. I mean,
Yeah.
True.
everything we had to look into minute details also,
Yeah.
figuring out entry exits to where, you know, to get the photographers in place and where nobody comes into
Yeah.
the picture. So all those things. But बहुत मजा. It was a different experience for us.
But Dave, I think that leads to my next question, in which is I think जो आप लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा पूछा जाता होगा, I'm sure, कि see you both are in a way are competitors. But how do you guys work together? So see your friends, the personal and profession, these two
Yeah.
things can be different.
Yeah.
But getting it together, I think, which could lead to a lot of like differences. But does that happen between you two?
The opposites. But the energy that we came together was not like two competitors coming together, but we thought let's do a collaboration. So we actually thought of this idea of like she always said that collaboration is the future. And
I second that.
mean, I feel that the energy that you get in while doing a collaboration matters a lot
Yeah.
than having a competitive attitude towards anything.
Yeah.
So हमारे बीच में कभी ऐसा competition वाला feeling ही नहीं है. Like the best projects have been Happy Mohan, that's what we call. It's
Yeah.
Karthik Mohan Productions and Happy
Happy
Dancing
Dance
Feet.
Feet, yes.
तो हम लोग ने क्लब कर दिया Happy Mohan.
Oh,
So अगर
wow.
नाम में ही अगर इतना खुशी है तो फिर I think काम में और
This
भी
woman is
Right,
always
right.
happy, I think.
Yeah, yeah,
She's
yeah.
always happy.
Yeah, and that's
Yeah.
the thing. Like, people ask us this question, and honestly, a lot of time we don't have a response because for us it is so natural. We never
Yeah.
thought about कि हाँ अब आके हम collaborate करेंगे, फिर हम एक example create करेंगे industry
हाँ.
के लिए. It
कि
was
हम
nothing
हैं.
like that.
Wow.
The
It was,
torch bearers.
it was just we came together like हाँ चल करते हैं, and
जी.
then people were like, oh, you know what? And honestly, we're very glad to see this. I think after our collaboration, we have seen so many more choreographers and other people also collaborate in the industry. And we couldn't be happier because, like I said, collaboration is the future. You get to do new things, you get a bigger team, you get more resources. And for us, what really works is that we're also best friends.
There are two choreographers in this space.
Yeah.
But at the
There are
same
two different
time,
mindsets.
Mindset, like how you
Absolutely.
said, like you guys
Yeah.
are like opposites.
Yeah. So actually, it's an unsaid thing between us.
Huh.
He has his strengths, I have mine, and we figured that out in the very first project. So I don't come in his way, he doesn't come in my way.
For
Like,
example, how?
For example, like I've done BMM, okay, so I have I plan really well and I can research really
So have I.
hardcore. Yeah, okay. So I'm more like the strategist, the planner, bringing
Yeah.
together the
Yeah.
things and all of that. He's more of a visualizer, like he will execute that artistically for you. So we have our own, this is just one of the strengths. Obviously, he can also do the latter and I can also do what he does. But it's just that I know that if it comes to Karthik, then I don't have to look at it. And he knows if this comes to Srishti, then I don't have to look at it. So we have our paths carved out and it's like this unsaid thing. तो हम एक दूसरे के रास्ते में नहीं आते हैं वो smoothly हो जाती है. Yes, there are differences in opinions. There are arguments about things. But I think the energy of the friendship overrules all of that.
So, but
That's
like,
so brilliant.
Yeah.
That's so
Yeah.
beautiful.
But like, is there any point where you guys like, you can say, okay, let's just agree to disagree?
ठीक है,
वहाँ से
मैं
वाले
बोलता
point पे
हूँ
आते हैं तुम लोग कभी. Give me some drama. Give me one.
I think
झगड़ा
Karthik
जो
will
बता
always
दे.
give up.
झगड़ा बता.
It's not
झगड़ा
a
बता.
drama. It is-
झगड़ा बता.
She's like way too planned. I'm a spontaneous person.
हाँ.
Okay. मुझे जब तक स्टेज पे लोग खड़े नहीं ना तब तक विजन नहीं आता है.
हाँ.
इसको मेरा विजन जानना है उसके पहले जो मेरे पास है ही नहीं प्लान ही नहीं है तो जी लाइक व्हाट आर यू थिंकिंग और तभी प्रॉब्लम है कि तभी मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं चल रहा है बोला थिंकिंग डोंट वरी लेट देम गो अप ऑन स्टेज उसको भी पता है जब तक स्टेज के ऊपर सो आई थिंक देयर आर फ्यू प्लेसेस वेयर आई हैव टू टेल हर जस्ट काम डाउन आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ दिस बिकॉज़ आई कांट थिंक टिल देन पीपल आर अप ऑन स्टेज
जी.
So you are more like a daydreamer.
oh so basically
Yeah, that is one of his biggest qualities.
I love this.
For
But
this podcast, genuinely telling you, देव हम जब पहले बैठ रहे थे ना, देव कुछ भलता ही कहता है, बोलते हैं हमें ना ये करेंगे, फिर यहाँ से इसको लाएंगे, यहाँ से उसको लाएंगे, and then I tell him, देव, you have to think कि हमें कैमरा से कैप्चर करना है, वो तुम स्टेज नहीं किसी तरह वॉक इन करके करवा लोगे. But no, I absolutely get that.
But I love this canvas that we always have. If like no offense to people who are actually planned, because I actually love that part. Because for us as daydreamers, it's easy for us to just carve out the entire canvas in front of us. We don't care what is the limit. And people who are actually planned, like for me, it was Chirag who actually caught me down. Like, dude, mellow down, please. You are thinking like Netflix. You're thinking Christopher Nolan right now. Please mellow down.
क्योंकि पैसे हमें लगाने हैं.
So I'm like
Client के नहीं
metering
लगते.
it down for me, but it's always easier to dream or visualize in terms of a big canvas or huge canvas, and then to chop it
Yeah.
down to smaller thing. You can't actually visualize in a smaller canvas and then you can magnitude into a like much bigger thing.
yeah.
But what I've seen is that we have learned from each other. Like the way she's planned. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि with planning, I think I can save out on time.
Yeah.
And at the same time, she also has learned few things. Like I have seen a change in her. कि there was a show when she was like relaxed. जबकि हमारा सेट भी नहीं हुआ था पूरा शो. She like वहाँ जाके देख लेंगे. And I ये लाइन इसके मुंह से आया बोला.
वो इधर से आई
ये
है.
तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. वहाँ जाके देख कैसे सकते हैं?
So yeah, I guess in a sense
I
I've
think,
become
yeah.
more spontaneous and he's become more planned, and
Planned.
that balance has
Balance
been
is
found
there.
now.
What else?
I think the acts that we have done in the past, I think one of the acts that I remember is doing a full projection mapping on a entire building, like
wow.
a structure, and it was done for a Varmala. It had a meaning to it because it was the groom's mother who welcomed the bride home as her own daughter. So I think that added a lot of value to the whole projection mapping. It was just not graphics playing on a wall. but it had a lot of meaning to it
Yeah.
that we created for the Varmala, and it was used for. I mean, it was done mainly for the bride's entry. So she also felt special. It got tears to the audience out there, and especially the bride's parents. They were quite overwhelmed with the whole idea of the groom's mother welcoming their daughter home.
But tell me one of the best jogards that you've done and which has been successful.
Don't look
Which
at
has
me.
been successful.
Don't
But
look at
in-
me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll tell you the jugaad.
Huh.
This
First
is the
give
story.
context,
I have
huh?
to tell you
Huh.
what
The context you
happened.
have
Hanji,
to.
hanji.
I was at the console. I was managing the whole console, and this is the groom solo. Okay, let's call him as the main client. Okay.
Okay.
Because of him, we are there right there at the console. And his act is programmed with the whole video because he's
Chroma
done a
shoot
chroma
and all that.
shoot, and the whole audio has been synced with the video.
Yeah.
So we have to play a video file.
Yeah.
Okay. And at the console, the video guy tells me that bro, आवाज नहीं match हो रहा है, आ नहीं रहा है
EP
आवाज.
से sound मतलब नहीं निकल रहा है.
Okay.
So there's no sync between audio
Yeah.
and video.
Yes.
And we had to play the video because he's gonna point at the screen and there'll be another
Like one of
Yeah,
those
yeah, yeah.
interactive,
Interactive thing,
yeah.
Interactive
okay.
things.
So we had no choice but to play both together. And what to do? There's chaos at the whole console. सबको tension bro क्या होने वाला है,
Main
क्या होने वाला है.
client ना.
और अभी the MC's already started announcing.
Yeah.
And he's hyped up the announcement. Kid, now watch the groom coming in, bashing, doing an entry, blah blah blah. And I have 30 seconds in hand. There's full chaos on the console, and I had to take this call. You know, the jugaad.
Hanji,
This is
hanji.
where your jugaad mind comes into picture, and your presence of mind also. Is when I said कि चल ठीक है एक काम करते हैं, सब रुक जाओ एक सेकंड के लिए. मैंने ऑडियो वाले को बोला ऑडियो है तेरे पास, वीडियो है तेरे पास. मैं बोलूंगा 5 6 7 हिट, एंड दोनों एक साथ जाएंगे. प्रॉब्लम, the video guy has not slept since 3 days. बंदा इज लॉस्ट कि सर 5 6 7 8 में क्या करना है अपने को. मैं बोला नहीं ब्रो एक काम करते हैं, अपन रेस करते हैं, 1 2 3 गो गो पे हमारा. And that 30 seconds call, everybody is waiting. I had to take that call. I did like 1 2 3 go.
Hit.
अभी hit हो गया. Problem, 30 seconds of the video is a blackout. So till 30 seconds we don't know
We
कि
don't know
sync
कि
हुआ है
sync
कि
हुआ है
नहीं.
कि नहीं, क्योंकि हमने ऑडियो और वीडियो अलग अलग प्ले किया है,
ओ भाई
बट साथ में प्ले किया.
साहब.
30 seconds के बाद जब पहली मूवमेंट हुई,
point किया.
we were like, हाँ.
और जब वो अपीयर
Sync
हुआ
हो
ऐसा
गया.
लगा भगवान अपीयर हो गया.
I think a lot of times clients they do not understand कि
Yeah.
a lot of times these technical glitches are not in our hand.
Yeah.
हम
They are
कितना
not
भी
our
prepare कर लिए, वो last minute चीजें होने ही वाली है. And who better to understand than planners?
It's really reckon in terms of how AI is going to be like your friend, or it's going to disrupt the market.
I think it will depend on who is using it and how it's being used. Like, it's two sides of the same coin.
Right.
If you use it well, it can really help boost choreography, be it virtual choreography that we do, or be it using. So, for example, recently we wanted to showcase the story of the bride and the groom, and there is a AI platform that allows you to curate the video with just a text.
Oh wow.
Wow.
So we wrote down the story and it curated the entire video for us, and we were able to showcase that. So things like that would really add value to sangeets and to weddings. So I think if it's used correctly and for the right motive, it can really boost the industry forward. But yeah, if it's not done well, it can look shit on screen.
So tell us that to a lot of like the couples who will be watching and also to a lot of choreographers, how can they make their choreography go viral?
Whether we have put energy in thinking or planning whether this performance has to go viral or no.
Yeah.
But what for us is viral is like a good performance, good dancing, because we are from the dance background and we value probably talent. That's how. Because right now we see that there are so many artists up there on Instagram where I don't think they have great views, but their talent is amazing.
True.
Now coming to weddings, obviously like people want their videos to go viral and everything. So I think choosing maybe unconventional songs, putting up something with new technology that the world hasn't seen, those things can really pick up and do great. Because I have personally seen the brides who do unconventional songs. Those videos have done way better than the regular slow romantic songs.
That's good.
So that's one of the elements that I would say.
That's good.
But personally, if I have to say something, being an artist, I feel that for me, content really matters. What content you put out, and If the content is great, I don't care if it's viral or no.
Yeah. Clients derive an
Yeah.
artist's value
Through the
through how they're
virality of the
seen
content.
and how their algorithm is on Instagram.
Yeah.
So ये सवाल इसीलिए पूछा जा रहा है आजकल, and that's the reason this question has become so important, Dev.
Yeah.
कि हम are we viral on Instagram or not? How many followers do we have? How many things?
Right.
How many people can you attract more through your gram? What do you think, Srishti?
I have a view on this though. Also because I mean a lot of people may not know, but I come from a digital marketing agency. I've been a content manager there, so I have views on social content.
Right.
I think today 3 things are super important. If you can entertain your client, if you can inform or educate your client, and if you can really derive something of value and give to your client, or on Instagram for that matter, it automatically kind of does well. So the main motive I think should be to provide valuable content, and sooner or later the chances of it going viral are higher because it will move people in certain ways. It will create a shift. It will touch them in ways, and that relatability is what creates shareability. Shareability is what creates virality. So I think that's the approach if we take.
That's the mantra.
Yeah.
And obviously, I think it comes out of being really authentic also.
Yeah.
If you put out authentic content, you will find an audience for it sooner or later.
Have you ever danced like in a client meeting?
Yes.
Yes, I
And that got
Have
him
you
the meeting.
really?
I was sitting for this meeting and everything was locked. And the groom and his friends came in, like a lot of people in the room. It was a very small hall. And they said, ठीक है, आप डांस करके दिखाओ. मैं बोला यार मीटिंग है यार, मीटिंग में कौन डांस करता है? तो मैं बोला नहीं ठीक है, मैं आपको सिखा दूंगा डांस जब आऊंगा तभी. बोलते नहीं, हमें तो देखना ही पड़ेगा ना हमारा कोरियोग्राफर डांस कैसे करता है.
Isn't that great?
Bro, ये तो ज्यादा हो गया. And I'm trying to convince them. नहीं यार, नहीं bro, like next time सिखाऊंगा no. And then this dad who's sitting right next to me, he was a very sweet, gentleman, and he said, बेटा, क्या आप हमारे लिए एक डांस नहीं दिखा सकते? अब वो अंकल को मना कैसे करूं? बेटा बोल दिया, प्रेशर में भी डाल दिया. And then I had to perform. But the best part is I danced. When I was dancing, the inner dialogue that I had is, बस डांस करूंगा ना तो फाड़ूंगा. कि normally डांस करूंगा. Then I was just dancing right on their face. My legs actually just almost missed their heads, but it worked better. And after that, nothing. Then uncle said, "Beta, आप advance ले जाओ."
I think misconceptions. I think Karthik has very rightly said कि लोगों को लगता है यार सिर्फ यही तो करना है. But Shrishti यार, how about you?
हाँ, तो यही आता है सबसे पहला सवाल कि why are you so expensive? आपको तो सिर्फ डांस सिखाना है. सिर्फ डांस सिखाना है. तो पहले तो जब मैं नई थी मुझे भी लगता कि बीइंग अ कोरियोग्राफर में सिर्फ डांस सिखाना होता है. एज वी प्रोग्रेस्ड वी रियलाइज्ड कितनी चीजें हैं बिहाइंड द सीन्स टू डू. टू नेम अ फ्यू, सॉन्ग लिस्ट प्लान करना, इवेंट टीम के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करना, ग्राफिक्स फिगर आउट करना, लाइट्स फिगर आउट करना, एंकर कोऑर्डिनेशन करना, टेक्निकल्स लेना, डांसर्स हैं तो डांसर्स कोरियोग्राफी फॉर्मेशंस करना, उनके कॉस्ट्यूम्स, उनके प्रॉप्स, उनका हेयर एंड मेकअप. These are just a few things we've named. तो हमें रियलाइज हुआ कि बैक एंड पे सिर्फ डांस तो नहीं होता है. कोरियोग्राफी सेट होती है, म्यूजिक एडिट्स प्लान होते हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट्स बनते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. पर अब ये समझाना मुश्किल है क्लाइंट को कि क्या क्या आधी चीजें तो शायद उनको पता भी नहीं होंगी कि होती हैं बिहाइंड द सीन्स. तो दिस इज अ मेजर मिसकंसेप्शन कि आपको सिर्फ डांस सिखाना है. एंड द money that we are charging is just dance सिखाने के लिए. It is the years of the brand that we've built. It is the years of the training we've done. It is the years of the experience that we have. तो बस वो एक major misconception मेरे हिसाब से.
Do you really want to change something about the industry?
वैसे तो अगेन इसके ऊपर भी हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं बहुत सारी चीजें, बट आई थिंक मेरे लिए सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट अगर कुछ चीज होगा इज रिस्पेक्ट. जो डांसर्स, कोरियोग्राफर्स, परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट, जो ये पूरी इंडस्ट्री है, स्टेटस, रिस्पेक्ट, फी, all these 3 things are bare minimum. So I feel like that really we need an upgrade in the definition of performers. If आज हम पहले हम we used to use the term disabled, but we use the term specially abled now.
True.
If we can be sensitive to that, then we should also be sensitive to the terminologies used for performers. Background dancers क्या होता है? प्रोफेशनल डांसर्स बोलो ना, प्रोफेशनली ट्रेंड है, उन्होंने मेहनत की है यहाँ तक पहुंचने के लिए.
That's brilliant.
परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट बोलो, व्हाट इज बैकग्राउंड डांस, व्हाट इज साइड डांसर्स.
Yeah.
So the definition needs an upgrade.
Yeah.
And with that upgrade in the definition, there will be an upgrade in the status and the fee and everything, basically.
True.
The respect for
True.
performing artists
Yeah.
as a whole.
That's brilliant.
Same.
No,
No,
I have
something
something
else.
else.
Yeah,
Something else.
I think that's one thing, and also they need to. What I also feel, apart from like she said, rightly said, that they have to be called artists than just calling them side dancers
Yeah.
or maybe background dancers adding
Yeah.
value. Plus, also they have to understand that I feel this is what like these artists makes your show. And even with the other technicians and whoever works behind the scenes,
Yeah.
they can either make or break your show. So I think that
Absolutely.
respect has to be given to each and every member who's been working for your special day.
True.
So I think that's one thing we really want. I think.
So respect. Ideally, I think the
Respect is the core word.
In terms of terminologies, actually.
from the client and as well as other industry people.
Yeah.
क्योंकि the ecosystem that we all are in, अगर वहीं respect नहीं है तो वो आगे pass on ही कैसे
Correct.
होगी?
I think on behalf of all the planners that are out there, with all due respect, we love the way you guys put in extra hours in terms of dancing at 2 a.m. in the morning till 4 a.m. in the morning, because that's when you actually get the stage ready.
Yeah.
There's nobody out there. Yes, we have to build the clients, but it also gives us a lot of relief when we're actually running the show.
Yeah.
So we know actually what's going to go on.
Yeah.
A lot of things are actually planned in the wee hours of the morning. Everybody, all of us are actually running in one particular goal that we want to achieve, to make that one moment. It's
Yeah.
not the entire day. It's that one
It's that one moment.
moment you want to make memorable for that couple,
Yeah.
which they are going to reminisce for the rest of their lives.
Let's get on to something that people can take back from this podcast.
Yeah.
3 things they should think of before finalizing their choreographers.
I think the first thing as a client, what you need to think is whether your taste is intimate weddings, just family performances, or you want something larger than life.
Right.
Wow.
That's one thing that they can be clear of. So the choreographer also knows where to think from.
That's brilliant.
Second, I think you can
Srishti.
say.
I think they really need to check with the choreographer, especially if they're looking at a grander scale or they have multiple locations to cover, whether or not the choreographer has a team. Because a lot of times the feedback that I have heard is that हाँ वो एक ही इंसान independent choreographer था तो हमारा XYZ नहीं हो पाया. So I think it's important to check with your choreographer about their team strength.
Okay. And third?
Third, I think what we also pitch to the client is look at your Sangeet like a movie. When you say drama, you think of it like a movie where there are different songs, there are different acting happening, and how you want your movie to be. Whether
Right.
it should look more comic, whether you want it more emotional, you want it like a Yash Raj, or you want it like a Raju
Yeah,
Hirani,
yeah,
that
yeah.
that kind of movies. So if you think of your Sangeet to be like that, then it's basically giving direction to a choreographer.
Wow.
And then it gets personalized, it gets more fun, and you give a better brief to the choreographer of how your people are. Like, try and make the choreographer understand if this group is fun or maybe this group needs something more easier. A good brief from the client can help the choreographer do a great job.
That's true. I think a good brief, client's understanding of their own audience is so important.
Very
क्योंकि
important.
हम तो उनके brief पे चलने वाले हैं. And then a lot of times होता है कि a lot of the people come in and they are not as great as they perceive. But I think they all sail through it.
Something that is going to trend in 2024 and 2025.
I think there are two paradoxes that are going to parallelly exist, according to me. Like we also spoke earlier, there's going to be Sangeet taken to Super Bowl levels,
Yeah.
Wow.
where the production,
Oh,
I love
God.
this.
Yeah.
like the production value is going to start increasing more and more. So I see production values going to next levels
Yeah.
and probably touching Super Bowl levels. And then I see the other set of audience becoming more intimate, more personalized, more custom made. So custom made songs, custom made storytelling, custom made videos, dances, everything is going to become more bespoke and
Yeah.
personalized.
Yeah.
So it's going to be two parallels that's going to exist.
So we are touching upon two extremities in terms of like
Yeah.
larger than life.
Yeah.
and intimate weddings.
Intimate but extremely custom.
Customized, yes.
Down
Yeah.
to the, you know,
Yeah.
like everything is custom made because that's what people are really relating to and
True.
absorbing and engaging with better.
Absolutely.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to be the next
Yeah.
thing apart from just family performances?
I think integration of a lot of audiovisual,
Hmm.
integration of technology,
Hmm.
integration of AI, probably make, like he mentioned, making your Sangeet like a movie with all sorts of emotions. So there's
Yeah.
drama and there's happiness and there's sadness and there are all flavors.
Gee.
So I think a lot more people have actually come up with us, come up to us and said that, you know, can we make it like a seamless musical?
Makes
Yeah.
sense.
Can we make it like watching a movie?
Yeah.
So I think that is going to trend more and more, and people
Yeah.
are going to do more of that rather than I perform a meaningless performance. Hua chala.
You guys think that is going to be the next trend in 2025,
It
2026?
definitely has good potential. I think a pilot study and a pilot project should be done and tested, and then
Yeah.
maybe we can take it from there. But it definitely has potential, according to
I think that pilot study has to happen right after this
Yeah.
podcast.
One question I have before we wind up the whole thing.
Yeah, please.
So, what inspired you all to get us here to the whole thing?
देखो अब सच कहेंगे तो बुरा लगेगा.
Yeah, I think it's for him to
Yeah,
answer.
मुझे
that.
लग रहा है
It's
कि
for
I
him to
understand
answer.
that you love us, and I mean, there's a lot of love for us.
Yeah, we've also
And-
googled that answer.
Yeah, I just want the inspiration that you know you got us here.
Okay,
on
so
the
I
show.
think I'll tell my answer, and which I'm being very honest about. And when we spoke about choreographers, the first name that came in my mind was you two. Okay, because I'm like, because when we talk about two people, two guests on stage, there's always a need of synergy. जब वो दोस्ती यारी और वो होती है ना, तो वो amazing content वैसे भी निकल जाता है. I'm like, let's just get these two in because I know this person is mad. ये पागल इंसान है. Once he is there, there is no quiet room. Okay, so I felt let's just get them here.
But yeah, these two guys are actually, they have my heart out. Also Nirav, for the matter of fact.
Yeah,
Because I interact a lot with Nirav.
We call him the man.
The
Yeah,
man. The man. I love his
Sorts.
bag actually.
Super. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
much.